Suppose we should return to the cage. Let's save the subquests for another time and deal with these dark foes, all right? The dark foes won't leave this storage room alone, and I keep stories I'm still restoring in there. We need to chase the rascals out, but only do that when you feel up to it, all right? Or through subquests will be saved in the library. Don't worry, the dark foes can't reach them there. I'll make it so you can view them, as well as any weapon memories you set right in the cage. So tell me, which do you like more? Stuffed animals or dolls? Aren't stuffed animals just the cutest? But this gift is no simple toy. It's a reliable companion that will fight alongside you in battle. Companions come in 5 different affinities. But for now, you can pick between fire and wind. Either one would be a big help. How about the fire one? Okay, here you go. Equip it, and you'll be able to meet it during battle. I'll show you how to make the magic happen. Keep going, shall we? Oh my, bird statues. It broke! I do hope no one saw that. This building is so big. It's just like a castle. Anyway, let's get started restoring this story, shall we?
A mechanical soldier sleeps amidst the detritus of a castle storehouse. Time has no meaning here. A minute is as an age. Until the day he meets the boy. The exhausted boy can only mutter 3 simple words. Let me rest. Seeking to help, The man begins rooting around to prepare a makeshift bed. As he continues to dig, a discarded weapon suddenly activates. Enemy forces sighted. And manages to assemble a crude resting place from storehouse junk. The boy wearily makes his way to the bed and manages a heartfelt thanks. After studying the man for a moment, he begins to ask him questions. The name the man gives is that of the first model of Clockwork soldiers. I was also a first once, says the boy. First in line to the throne, but no more. The man explains he was unable to carry out orders and discarded as defective. The boy responds that as his disease has grown worse, he too has been cast aside. You and I are much alike, says the boy with a sad smile. Weary of talking, the boy finally falls asleep. The peaceful expression
A gun-wielding mechanical soldier. I suppose these are memories of when he first met the boy with the staff. This isn't a terribly welcoming atmosphere.